Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to make macaroni salad. First, let's get started with the pasta. You'll need 500 grams of elbow macaroni. Cook it according to package directions until it's perfectly al dente, meaning it still has a slight bite. Once cooked, drain the macaroni thoroughly and rinse it under cold water to stop the cooking process and remove excess starch. This also helps prevent sticking. Now, let's prepare the creamy dressing that makes this salad so delicious. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise with 1/4 cup of white vinegar. Next, add 2 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Whisk these ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and well combined. This forms the base of our flavorful dressing. With our dressing ready, it's time to incorporate some texture and extra flavor. Finely dice 1/2 cup of celery and 1/4 cup of red onion. Chop 2 hard-boiled eggs and 1/4 cup of bell pepper. Any color works well. If you enjoy a touch of sweetness and tang, add 1/4 cup of sweet pickle relish. Gently fold these ingredients into the dressing until evenly distributed. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your completely cooled macaroni to the bowl with the dressing and mix-ins. Gently fold everything until the macaroni is thoroughly coated with the creamy dressing. Cover the bowl and refrigerate the macaroni salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. For other great deals and to make meal prep easy, check out the link in the description for leak-proof containers. Serve chilled and enjoy your delicious homemade macaroni salad.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.